Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, what we're gonna do here is we will continue work on our project, which is vpnhead.com website. vpnhead.com website will be basically helper to everyone who wants to know more about VPNs, who want to do research about VPNs, who want to buy VPNs, who want to use VPNs, who want to dream about VPNs. It's gonna be VPN in VPN over VPN under VPN. It's just a small my side project. Right now I am starting it. This is what you see is a back end. I just installed Google Gemini AI coding helper. It has terrible reviews. I think it has 2 out of 5 stars, but I think it's because they are just starting with it. So when you start with something, you always make mistakes. And they released a brand new version, I think just yesterday, so we'll test it maybe. I hope it's much better than the previous version, and we'll see. So this is the front end. Front end is React, which is JavaScript framework, and then the project. What we built already looks like this. Just a simple website with some informational pieces. This is already linking to the Surfshark company which provides VPNs, and this are my articles. This movement is made by React using JavaScript. When you click on any of those, it directs you to an article page. What I want to do today is I want to make article more structured. As you can see right now, it has only one big piece of text. What we want to do is we want to separate paragraphs, maybe a little spaces, and so it's more human readable. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's this will be front end part. The back end part works well. What it does, it grabs the article from a MySQL database by using repository. This is the repository class, and then by using also service class, it grabs article right here. Get article, gets article, and then it sends the article to the front end, and front end displays it. So let's go to the front end. I use VS Code to do the front end, and I think there is a little assistant here which does not work well, but I don't use those paid assistants if I don't need it. For example, Cursor, I know many people are using it. Actually, I have it right here, but this is for my job, so I use it for my job because they more or less required. For my own projects, I don't use it because you have to pay for it. I think it's $20 a month or something, but you don't. Right now, you can. There are other free options, such as actually this Gemini one. This is totally free, a coding AI assistant. So they are not bugging you after 50 chat messages that buy new one, buy the subscription, you know. And so yeah, okay. Let's go back to VS Code, and then let's see. Let's try using Claude to check how to display the paragraphs. Article. Okay, and this is the article, this is the home, Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy and we're going to ask Claude to help us code how to structure the article. Now let's go to my database and let's see how exactly it looks in the database. This one is the database. SQL file 3. Here we go. So basically this is my article. And it has the separations. Oh, okay. Like for example, here it has two ends which should separate. So let's copy and let's paste. This is what's going on here. Database. Okay. And then let's pass in the React file. Of course, this entire process called is called wipe coding. Now everyone does it. It makes much easier to create code much faster because the AI does the simple things, and then what you have to do, you have to go through the code, see that it completed everything correctly, and then you can fix mistakes, do adjustments, and then maybe you're happy and your clients are happy. It's basically like flying an airplane between, like if in 1950s when pilots were doing all that hard work, and 2025 when pilots basically press a button and the airplane flies by itself. In 50s and in 2025s, both are pilots, but they're doing a little bit different job. Well, the same job, flying airplane, but different way. Okay, let's see what we have here. Looking at your article content, I can see it has clear structure with headings, subheadings, Here are structure are better in parsing, formatting data. Okay. Okay, so also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give AI also my CSS file. Here is my CSS file. Give me entire JSX and CSS files. Okay, so what I did, I gave my my CSS file, and I requested full completed files, JSS, which is JavaScript, which is, well, yes, JavaScript, which is React JavaScript file, and then CSS, which is visual file. Okay, so I have my, okay, so it gives me 2 files, and then we have 50-50 chance that the website looks good or website looks bad, and it's not perfect. It takes time. It takes knowledge to program. It's not like why coding, you know, AI cannot do coding for you. AI can help you coding. So let's replace JSX file with a new version. What I do is you know what, I usually comment the old code just in case, because I'll put the new code here on the top. I burned my hands many times by not saving the old code and trusting AI too much. Okay, let's do same thing with a CSS file here. Okay, CSS file will not work because it has too many comments. Okay, so for CSS file, okay, let's delete this one, and then if something, we'll restore it. Okay, and then this one is CSS. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I present you new version of file, and it looks terrible. So as you remember, okay, and then basically destroyed the bottom part, the slider, and then it made crazy things here. Weird. Okay. Okay, let's complain now. It looks bad. Okay. What looks bad? Now let's list. So it looks bad. Some text in red, some text in black, different sizes of the text. I need simple. The article in the case is okay, then it's structured by okay. Oh. Let's see where, okay, by these symbols here. I need only simple paragraphs, like no that. Okay, let's try this one. You heard my I alarm. I called I alarm. This is my timer basically. After each 25 minutes I do quick break. I look at somewhere else to relax my eyes for 20 seconds, 20 feet. That's what you should do. So I looked somewhere, and now let's go back to work again. Also, oh, okay. Okay, I think that's enough complaining. So what Claude will do will change, and what we're gonna do also, let's go back. So this is that code. We have to go back to my old good one, and then also let's go back here. Good thing that I saved this code on the bottom, which worked well. So let's leave it. So now we went back to the old working code, and let's see. Oh, okay, so it changed back instantly. So this is the old working code, just a bunch of squished. I just wanna, my final wish here is just to have paragraphs. I don't need anything else. I don't need special things. Okay. So, how about my complaint? You're absolutely right. Yes, it says that I am absolutely right. Let me simplify. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Copy. Oh, I don't know why I opened the backend. We don't need backend yet. Okay. Okay, so that's a good code. That's improved code. It does not, yeah. Okay, unfortunately I have to delete this one. Okay, CSS. Let's go back, CSS. Look at this, okay? It is better. I don't like it. Something is wrong with it, but it's much better than it was before. So this is still not good. Okay, my little goal is accomplished here. Later on I will have to change it anyway. I have some more ideas. I have to insert pictures and everything else, so this will be changed. So as of right now, let's leave it as is, except this part right here in the bottom. I don't know why it changed the slider. Okay, so let's thank for at least a little bit good here, but then let's complain about the slider. Okay. Okay. Shit. Okay. I just realized I think they're using the same CSS. Oh no, they're using different CSS. Okay. How about my homepage? Is it? No, homepage is perfect. Homepage is perfect. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we need to fix this and then we'll be done with today. Let's go back to artificial intelligence, which one day will replace us forever. Let's try to go back to CSS. Okay, so this is new CSS. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the original one. This is the original one. We're going to delete the original one and then we're going to paste the improved one. How about that? Move. Nope. Does not work. That is if the slider is too wide, it might. Let's give this a chance, and then if not, then we're gonna do it manually. How about that? Manual labor. Okay. It is terrible. How can we change it to better one? So check your home. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give him home CSS file. Let's see what it will answer. I'll see the issue also. Okay. Which is bad. The AI is really a tool. It's not. It cannot think like a human being, which is bad and good. Bad is because it makes you work, which is also good, not bad. But the good part is that, you know, if it will be too smart, then people will not work and will be World War III or something. So let's. I mean, we need tools to improve our lives and work, but we don't need tools that will replace us. I think that's my opinion. Okay. What's going on? Oh, that's home. Okay, go. So that's the original. Let's delete original. Let's see if Any improvement? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Let's fight back. Okay, that's the original. And let's do the manual thing. Okay, now we're gonna play around. 50. 50. Okay, max width. Okay, this is the size. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna get something here. Okay. Okay, of course, no improvement. Stupid AI. Let's go and see what is the 50. Okay, 50. How about 40? How about 30? Okay. What the hell is going on here? No. It's so... No, I cannot. Okay. Now I completely destroyed my code. How about that? You see, I okay, basically today we had a nice run on the topic how to destroy your code with AI, and nothing good will happen. Okay. So let's go back to the beginning. Git pull git stash. Okay. And then npm okay, so we're back to the original code. What I did here, I went to Git and I restored. Git is cloud storage for the code, and I restored back to the original code before we did changes with stupid AI. Okay. see what AI will tell you, will tell us. You are right. So I'm right all day today, and I have a feeling that it will not do anything good here. Okay. So stop. Now he's saying we're using home CSS. I don't understand why we're using home CSS, because we have to use article CSS. Let's see, it will say, oh, you're right, or something. Oh, it says again, you're absolutely right. It's so stupid. Oh, yeah. You see, I think I sometimes it's like a swamp, you know. You have two choices here. Yeah, go around the swamp, and it will take you maybe days to go around the swamp, or you can swim through the swamp, and it should take you like 10 minutes to swim through the swamp, but sometimes swamp kills you or something, and you will not reach the other side. So what do we have here? Should we try one more time? Complete article component. Okay, so this is article component, this is article CSS. Oh my goodness, now he's giving me two article components. Okay, I kinda feel that it will not work, but let's try. So sleep, and then article. Let's delete this one, and then let's try this one, and let's go and cry, of course. Still, yeah, it basically it's destroying slider. And of course, if I will ask what's happening, it will say, oh yeah, you're absolutely right. You're right. Oh my god. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's go. We have all life in front of us. And, ladies and gentlemen, piece of crap. No idea why it's doing this. Also, it has different pigmentation here, different color. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video, but it's excellent example of how AI is stupid. Sorry, what we're gonna do is we'll go back and we'll re-record this video one more time with the correct video. Today I had a long day, so we'll have to re-record this later time. Let's just go back to, oh, actually I don't need to go back anywhere. I can go like this back, and then I can go like this back. Here we go, and we're back to the normal. Stop. Oh, okay, no, it looks good. Why this one? Oh, okay. I got scared that it's not. Something is wrong with it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're back to starting point with the position 0. Wasted half an hour probably on AI vibe coding, and we'll have to redo it tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.